Hello, welcome to my channel, RAThbun on YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Yeah. It is a great day. I can't believe the weather. But we're in the old hog shed today. And believe it or not, we got most of, I think I got all the Harley parts put up. Got the motor under that cover. There's your transmission. Then we got all the other stuff, some of it boxed up. I'm keeping some of it myself, and some of it I'm selling. But all that stuff's boxed up, labeled. We got a bunch of parts in there. I'm keeping the backrest thing. We got our bolts and nuts right there. We got the tour pack up there. Still got to box up these speakers. That dude paid $600 for those speakers to be installed. Definitely ain't going to sell them. I'm putting them in my bike. I think I found a front fender for that. If I did, I'll have a red bike maybe next year. But we put the belt up here, like I said. Always put it in as big a loop as you can so you don't pinch it. Hanging on a nail. We got our shocks hanging up. We got the inner fairing. I put the brackets back on it and cleaned all the wiring up on it. It's ready to go. I'm going to buy some mirrors for the outside to fix some holes. We got our saddlebags put up. We have the wiring. She's hanging up here. I even got the windshield laying right there. But the wiring all hanged up, nice and good, hung up. We got the lower legs in there. We got the mufflers, tailpipes, and all that right through there. We got the rear swing arm right down there. We got the fenders, tanks, footboards, and the wiring for the front of the fairing, all put up there. A lot of this stuff I'm putting on my bike, and some of it I'm putting up for sale if I have twice, because we're not going to build a bike. I can't afford it. As cheap as they are to buy, you can't build one that cheap. I mean, you can pick you up a $6,000 Harley-Davidson all day long, and it costs way more than that to build one, buy a frame and all that. I just don't see that happening. But we got all the parts put up. We got some, I laid them lines over that. Like I said, she's all mostly packed up, hanging up, out of the way in the little hog shed here. Here's our primary covers and cases. Yeah. Okay. I think we got her done. That's, we just waiting. I'm going to hopefully make a little bit of recoup some money on it. I'm hoping to be able to sell enough parts to break even at least, and then have a lot of parts left over for me. The air cleaner is going on my bike. It's in here somewhere right there. I like that air cleaner. It's going on my bike. Some of the other stuff is too, like I said. But I think we got her done. Ooh, there were some nice speakers, ain't they? Look at that. Thanks for watching, guys.